Making money on Facebook is not as difficult as you guys think, okay? First and foremost, as a content creator, you need to be a good content creator. Now, if you are a content creator, you start creating your content, you create a page, and you start creating your content. And after you start creating your content, you need engagement. You need followers, okay? You can't just start creating content today and expect your page to blow tomorrow. It doesn't work that way, okay? After you start your content creation, you start creating content, you start posting your video, continue posting, consistency, and now you need follower, okay? Gradually, as you are engaging on people's posts, you are commenting on people's posts, you are also giving your page visibility. By doing it, you are giving your page and yourself visibility. You know, as you continue to engage on people's posts, people will also engage on your posts. Before you know what happened, you start growing gradually. Gradually, it will start from a step. Maybe from 1 follower to 2 follower, 3, 4, 5, 6, continuously, okay? Some people, the problem is they want to start today and the next 2 weeks they want to start making money. It doesn't work that way. We have content creators that build their page for 3 years. Some build their page for 2 years before they start making money. Okay, so if you want to cut corner, then you may have issue. You don't need to cut corner. Just build your page organically. Remember, all you are doing, everything you are doing, Facebook is looking at you. They are seeing everything. So build your page organically. After you finish building your page and you have a lot of followers, then you see engagement will come naturally. As long as your content give value, what you are doing give value. People are seeing sense on what you are doing, and people are gaining from what you are doing. People come to your lecture, they come to your orientation, they gain something before they leave. So because of that, people will always engage on your post. People will always be waiting for you to make a post. They will always wait for your video to come up. So as a content creator, follow these steps and see your page growing. And after your page growing, with no time, when you would less believe, content monetization will come. Facebook will go through your page and see that, okay, you have a lot of engagement, a lot of follower, and you'll be monetized. And once you are monetized, that is when the real work comes. You have to continue posting. You have to keep posting. You have to be consistent. Don't say because I'm monetized now, I don't have to do anything. I have to go and sit down. It doesn't work that way. But most importantly, make sure your post, your video give value. Let it be original and let it give value. And I bet you'll be glad because engagement will be there, follower will be there, and people will love you for what you do. God bless you.